Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with a new hype investment website and ISO initial coin offering website script. So this is the Invest Pro latest version script, and if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us and buy the script. And the advantage you will get of buying from us is we will give you the installation of this script for free. So if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete website. So don't waste much more time and buy the script. And this is a completely working 100% script, and completely we will give it with a guarantee. So let's start this video and see how we can use this script and how it looks like and how we can control this website from admin panel. So you can see the amazing home page of this website. You can change it completely through admin panel. You can change images. You can change every text that on your website from admin panel easily. So here you can see different sections on your website and you can change them and turn them off from admin panel. Here is a mini plan calculator. User can calculate its profit according to its plan. Here you can see total withdrawals and deposits of user. So site is newly created, so it is showing nothing. So here you can see different levels of commission, referral program, and now here you can see different plans that are on your website. So here are ROE plans, you can see them, and here are the fixed investment plans. So you can create these plans from admin panel and you can set them up easily from there. And here are frequently asked section and their blogs and footer section. So basically you can change all these details. And now you can also visit these pages separately. For example, if I want to visit the contact page, I can easily visit the contact page by clicking contact. So this is the contact page. You can see right here, you can add your own details on contact page. Now let's log into user panel and let's see how our user panel will looks like. So I will click on login, and here you can log in with Google and Facebook. Now I already have an email, so I will log in with my email and password, and I will click on login, and you can set up captcha from admin panel, and it's very easy to set up. First of all, here you can see this is your user panel dashboard, and here you can see your referral link. You can refer any user you want, and here you can see your current balance. Here you can see your total earning, total withdrawals, this month earning, deposits, everything you can see right here in this your dashboard. So now here you can see your wallets option from here. So this is a BTC wallet, and let's go to wallet, and here you can see your BTC address, wallet address. You can send and receive different crypto coins using this, and you can also add a new wallet from here. So here is a deposit option. When I click on add deposit, you can easily deposit money on this website. So when I click on add deposit, so here you can see this is our deposit page, and here I have to enter my amount, and after clicking on amount, here you can see that we have to select gateway, and after selecting gateway, we can easily deposit money on our website. So this is how it's easy to use this deposit and this website from here. Now let's go to investment plans, and if you want to invest in different plans, you can invest it from here. So you just have to click on buy now, and you can easily buy this plan from here using your account balance. And same case with fixed investment plans. Here you can see your investment logs. Here you can see your referral tree. So when you click on my referral tree, you can see your referral tree. So currently I have not referred any user, so it's showing nothing. So here you can transfer fund from one user to another user on the same website. Here is a mini crypto option. Here you can withdraw money, same as case with deposit. And here you can set up your profile settings, security, and manage KYC, etc. And you can also change language from here. So you can insert multiple languages from admin panel. You can use any local language. So when I click on log out, it will log me out. And now let's go to our admin panel and let's see how our admin will looks like. So this website has 3 different themes, which means that you can use 3 multiple websites at a time. So I will show you. So now let's go to our admin panel by typing /admin, and here I have to enter my admin details, and after that I will click on login. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our website, admin panel, and here you can see your total users, active users. You can see all the details of deposits, investments right here on this user and admin dashboard. So admin can also search different options, but here you can see that you can see total notifications, user register, deposit, every notification you will see here. And here you can see set up your admin profile, change settings and log out. And you can also turn on the dark mode from here. So I will turn off the dark mode, and here from KYC form, you can manage the KYC form, you can manage different roles for admins and different users of your website. So when I click on user list, so you can manage different roles for your team members. So here you can add another role. Here you can see that administrator, manager, and you can set up different roles from here. From ISO, you can manage initial coin offering, and here you can see here's BTC, or you can add also new coin to initial coin offering, and you can also turn this function on off from here. So how we can create plan over website? So to create a plan, you must have to create a timestamp for that plan, or day, month, week, how much time for you want to run that plan, and then you have to go to add plan, and you can easily add a plan by filling these simple details on your website. So if you want to make changes to existing plans, here you can see that you can make changes to existing plans. From here you just have to click on edit, and you can edit the existing plans. From referral, you can set up the referral settings from here, and you can manage different levels of referrals, and you can add a new referral setting from this option, add new referrals. From transaction log, you can view all the transactions that are on your site, and from all users, you can manage all the users on this website. You can add balances to their account, you can subtract balance from user account. It completely depends on you, and you can completely manage the user from here. Similarly, you can manage all the user related activities from here. Here are the gateways option. From here you can insert any gateway you want. So you can see all automatic payment gateways are here, and you can edit them and search your own details, or you can add your own manual gateway from here. You just have to fill these simple details, and you can easily insert a new gateway on this website. So now let's explore some other options. So here are pending deposit. You can approve or reject the deposit request of users from here. And here are the deposit logs. Here are the withdraw methods. You can set up the method for withdraw. Same case with like the gateways. You can insert any withdraw method, bank withdraw, or any withdraw you can insert from here. Here you can see you can approve the withdraw request of users, and here support admin can communicate with user or answer different questions of users from here. And the most important option is a theme option. So here you can see the most amazing 3 different themes on the website. So you can also use this theme or light blue theme, and you can insert any theme you want. You just have to click on active theme, and you can easily activate the theme you want. From settings, basically you can change the site title. Here you can see that you can change site title, site currency, site color base, site email, and other phone numbers, etc. from here. You can turn on off email settings and joining bonuses from here. So these are some options, and here are email settings. You can manage the email settings. Here you can insert any language you want on this website from language manager. From Google tools, you can explore different Google tools, and from logo and favicon you can insert a new logo or your own logo of website from here easily. So this is how it's easy to use this website. And from breadcrumb, you can manage the home page, the main page of website. From here you can change this text, you can change every detail that on that home page. From menus, you can control the menus that are on your site, and from web interface, you can edit any section that is on home page. For example, if I want to edit the about section, and let me click on about, and you can see that we can easily change this about section images, about section text, everything that is on about section we can change it. Similarly, you can change all those sections that are on your home page. So viewers, in this video I gave you complete overview of this website, and now if you want to buy the script or if you need complete website, do contact us and buy this website. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your other friends who need this type of websites.